Welcome back guys. Today we're going to be looking at 5 classic cinematic moves that we can do with any phone and any gimbal. And in order to demonstrate these 5 moves, we're going to be hijacking one of Georgie's photo days again. Okay, first up we've got a low follow shot. This is a really great shot for establishing a scene. Really simple, you just hold the gimbal down to the ground and follow your subject, and very slowly lift that gimbal up to reveal the scene. Next up we've got what we call a detail pan. With this one you just get a close-up of your subject and the main points around the subject. In this case it's Georgie's camera, and you just move around the subject with nice slow steady movements. Next we've got a classic side tracking shot. You just walk along by the side of your subject, matching your subject's speed. A good tip for this one is to employ the rule of thirds and try and keep your subject in that rear third of the frame. This way, if your subject picks up speed, you're reducing the risk of them walking out of shot. Next, we've got a backwards tracking shot where you're in front of your subject with the subject walking towards you and you're just walking backwards. And finally, we've got the classic cinematic jib shot. This is usually done on a crane, but with a gimbal and a phone, it's really simple. You just start off at the bottom with your subject walking away from you and slowly lift up and zoom backwards. This is a great way to end a scene. And that's it guys, I really hope you found this useful. What's your favourite mobile gimbal shot? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.